guys, welcome to our channel. I am Poppy, this is Isabella.
Hi guys, I'm Isabella and I'm 9 years old. I like painting and drawing. What are we going to draw today, Poppy?
We're going to draw the yellow penguin today. Have you heard about that?
I'm not really sure. Can you tell me?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you what do they look like. I got some information here. So the yellow-eyed penguin is most easily identified by the band of the pale yellow feather surrounding its eyes and the back of its head.
Oh, that's very interesting.
Yeah.
Where do they live?
They live in the South Island of New Zealand, as well as Sweater Island, Auckland Island, and the Campbell's Island.
Are they endangered?
Yes, they are one of the rarest penguin species in the world. The number of them is about 50,000 left now.
That's not a lot.
Yeah, they are quite in danger. Okay, let's start to draw the penguins now. Okay, before we start the drawing, here are some materials we need to prepare. So a black and white marker with the fixed side and the thin side, and one yellow marker for the yellow eyes. And here's a two pink and peach color and one blue color. You don't have to use the same color as mine, but here's some color number below. You can take a look. Okay, now we can start. So use the fixed side of the marker, and we can start to draw the mouth. Yeah, and adding half line here. Okay, now we draw the head of the penguin. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, now we continue with this line to draw the body shape with a very curved line till the tail. Yeah, just continue with that and stop in the middle. Draw a flippers. Okay, and add more details on it. Okay, so we continue this line to draw the tail. Draw a little aim of it. This looks good. Okay, now we draw the others flippers behind. Okay. What else we need to draw? The feet,
We need to
right?
draw the feet.
Yeah, so we're adding 2 feet of it. Okay, now we move back to the head. We need to draw the yellow eyes. So here's the yellow part surrounding of the head. And adding eyeballs. And they also got a yellow feather under the mouth. Okay, and we can add a cute brush here. Now we finished the main part of the penguins. We can make it look more funny, so we can add a head for the penguins. Looks like he's wearing a little hat. Putting more details on. And we all know penguin eat fish, right?
Yeah.
We can adding a little fish. Yeah. And the penguin is carrying the fish, so we can add a line, connect with those. Yeah, and we're adding one more details of the penguin's body. So this part is black and this part is white, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we can start to color in. So we can color in the most important parts of the yellow-eyed penguins. We color in the yellow around the eyes. And we color in the mouth in this peach color. Use the same color to color in the feet. Okay, now we can use the scarlet red to color in the head. It looks so nice. Okay, so for the last step, we use the black marker to color in the penguin's whole body. Before that, we need to make a white line here, so we need to have a white gap here. And we color in the whole body in black.
colour in the head.
You can use my one.
Okay.
And don't forget to color in the head.
Okay.
That look good. Okay, now we use the blue marker to color in the decoration, the little fish which the penguin's carrying. That's so good. Now we are done with the little cute yellow-eyed penguin. Okay, for the final step, we just use the fin side of the marker to adding some feather details of the penguin, drawing those short lines. You can add a little bit on the flippers as well. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, Isabella, we done the penguins. How do you feel about that?
I think it's not that hard.
Yeah?
And maybe next time I should add some more fish and other penguins.
Wow, that's an amazing idea. Can you take that home and draw at those fish and bring it back next week to me?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, that's our final result of the day, the yellow penguins artwork. If you guys have any question or anything you would like us to draw next time, please comment below.
And smash the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Okay, bye bye, see you next time.
Bye.